Located within the lush green heart of Fraser Valley and only 2 hours from the vibrant city of Vancouver, Elk Mountain awaits, a place where the whisper of nature drown out the noise of the world and every moment feel timeless. Elk Mountain is around 11 kilometers up and down with 800-meter elevation and is considered like a difficult but not so difficult. So yeah, let's see. The journey begins under the watchful gaze of towering trees. As the trail winds through a quiet forest, each step carries the soft sound of roots and the gentle murmur of creek flowing through the silence. Alright, well, we are 2 kilometers into the trail and there seems to be a forest road here. So maybe this one was for the off-road vehicle, but now that is prohibited. As the trail climbs higher, the air grows thinner and the challenge begins to reveal itself. Each switchbacks carry you closer to the sky, offering a fleeting glimpse of the valley below, a promise of the view yet to come. And then it happens. The forest opens its arms, revealing a breathtaking view. Standing on the rocky bluff, you feel the world stretch out before you, painted in a shade of green and blue under an endless sky. But the moment is fleeting, and the trail gently pulls you back into the embrace of forest. The trees close in once more, their canopies filtering sunlight into soft pattern of ground, as if guiding you toward the next hidden wonder. The final ascent is steep, yet it feels effortless. Carried by the beauty surrounding you, wildflower blooms in vibrant hue, painting the edge of trail. As the ridge narrows, movement flow like a dance, swift and free, while the sky above and the trail below seems to converge, capturing the energy of movement from every angle. Oh. Oh. Woo. Here on the ridge, the world unfolds in every direction. The mountains stand timeless, guarding the valley below. Each view, each moment is quite a reminder of how small we are in the face of nature's grandeur. This is Mount Elk. If you continue along the ridgeline, the trail leads you to the new heights. Just 1.5 kilometers ahead, you will reach the Mount Thurston Lookout, a quiet perch with sweeping views of surrounding wilderness. Beyond that, another 1.5 kilometers of winding path brings you to the summit of Mount Thurston itself, a destination that feels world away yet seamlessly connected to the Elk Mountain.
From Mount Elk to Mount Thurston, I think the trail is pretty much flat with some a little bit steep sections, and the trail is very nice though. You go through some open area and then through forest, and then it open up and again forest, so there's a nice transitions of different things which make you feel not boring. So yeah.
The path forward is a blend of challenge and reward, weaving through open ridges and shaded forest. Each step offers a new perspective, wildflower lining the edge of trail, the valley stretching endlessly below, and the peaks ahead calling you onward. This is a trail that does not just connect to summit, it connects you to the heart of mountain. The journey pauses here, at the Thurston Lookout Point, a place where the trails meet the sky. Standing here, surrounded by the endless view, it's time for the drone to take the flight, capturing the beauty of this ridge and the story it holds from above.